Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and I've got a brilliant video for you today showing you how to make a quick jar of Korean sauce using a jar of red pickled jalapenos. This is going to be a great video and I'm sure you're going to love this sauce, and you can use it on your chicken burgers, in your slow cooker and in so many different recipes.
First, let me explain to you who we are. If you're new around here, my name is Sam and I've been teaching people how to cook smart with just kitchen gadgets for over 10 years. In fact, we don't even have an oven or a hob in our kitchen. We are double Sunday Times bestsellers and The Independent calls us the best for beginner cooks. But because we've been creating videos for a while, we've ended up with more than 1,500 recipe videos on our YouTube channel. So what we have done is we have created a recipe index organised by gadget to help you quickly find your next recipe video. You can find them all at KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, and we would be honoured if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipe videos like this. So now let's get back to the food.
Let's talk all about this Korean sauce, shall we? Well, the ingredients are really simple, and the idea is that you pop it all into a blender, blend until smooth, and it'll fill up your jar, and it'll also leave enough for what you're cooking right now. So it's brilliant because then you've got a supply for next time. And for example, if you're doing chicken burgers, Korean style, you don't actually need that much sauce. So the jar would be enough for 4 rounds of chicken burgers. So of course, because the jar's open, it will last up to 6 weeks in the fridge, I would recommend. And it's just great for a mixture of recipes. And you can use it as part of your meal prep routine as well. So the ingredients you need are brown sugar, garlic and ginger puree. We've got some honey going on. We've got some rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and of course the big jar of jalapenos. And note with the jalapenos that we include the liquid, the pickle juice and everything because it makes an amazing sauce. So our blender of choice at the moment is our Thermomix. So we're going to get that out and we're going to add it all in there, and we're going to show you how this comes together. So I've got my Thermomix out, so let's blend everything, shall we? So you want to start with your jar of jalapenos. Remember, you want the juice in there as well. It's the best bit of the sauce. And then I've got the last ones out. And now you've got your jar of your jalapenos out. Remember to keep your jar because we're going to be adding it back into that once it's done. And then I'm going to start by adding in the garlic and the ginger. Scrape every last bit. Add in some honey. And if you're wondering about the measurements, the full recipe is available inside KitchenGadgetsClub.com. Simply search Korean and you'll be able to find it there. And then let's add in some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, and then last but not least some brown sugar. Remember to put your splash guard on because there's a lot of liquid, and wasn't that easy for ingredients just to throw in to your blender. So beware, this is quite noisy. So we're giving it a quick 10 seconds and that's all it takes. I mean, check that out, doesn't that look amazing? So if you want it a bit more smoother, you can put it on for a bit longer, but it's nice to have that texture of jalapenos in your cooking. So wasn't that simple to do? I mean, I just love this for a great quick sauce you can do in the jar. So let's pour it in and I can show you how much the jar makes to how much you've got left over. Grab your jar. And then start pouring it in. And then that is how much we've got left. I'm just going to put that into another container so you can see, because it's quite a dark kitchen gadget. So I've grabbed something white so you can see. And that's how much you've got left over. So that's how much it actually makes.
Introduce you to Kitchen Gadgets Club. We recommend joining it because it's brilliant for kitchen gadget recipes with step-by-step photos. It's got lots of easy recipes. You can join for as little as £1 a week. It has a library of over 1,000 plus kitchen gadget recipes, and we add 4 new exclusive recipes every single week. Here are just a few of the recipes. Each recipe has both metric and imperial, step-by-step photographs, plenty of useful kitchen gadget advice from experts. Just take a look at some of the photographs. And of course, you can join by heading to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/join.
So if you think of that for a quick sauce, if you're doing, for example, our Korean chicken burgers, then you can use that to dip the chicken in before you breadcrumb it. That's enough to go in your slow cooker. If you want to do some Korean pulled pork, it's just got so many different choices, and it's a great one for you to make in your blender at home. And just grab yourself a jar of red jalapenos, because I believe that most people would have the other ingredients in already. And remember, this is just using simple pantry staples that we often all have in. Thanks for watching, and now you've seen a glimpse into our ovenless world. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what I call one of our step-by-step instruction videos. If you would rather have short and sweet, don't forget to check out our shorts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to find videos quickly, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, you can see an A to Z list of all our YouTube videos, so you can find videos by Kitchen Gadget. And I'll see you again soon.